This video highlights Altair HyperWorks beam modeling capabilities. Here, I also would like to show the panel meshing which efficiently generates matte meshes. Opposite mesh densities are linked automatically. The same principle applies to remeshing. Only one set of edges needs to be selected to adjust the entire mesh. Now on to beam modeling. HyperWorks contains a browser to review existing beam sections. Create new beam elements by quickly selecting lines from the CAD geometry. Properties can be assigned from the Advanced Entity Selection menu or by creating new ones along the way. Element types and seating can be adjusted also. Various orientation methods are available. HyperWorks can auto-align beams to the adjacent shell elements. Additional options to rotate sections are available. Rotational or directional manipulators can also be used to adjust beam orientations. Discrete values can be entered if desired. Offsets can be adjusted interactively. However, more interesting is the function to automatically calculate the offset. Surrounding shell element thicknesses are taken into account. Instead of using geometry, beams can also be created by selecting nodes along a node path. Here, we are creating a beam section on the fly. A property according to the beam section values is created automatically. Translational and rotational degrees of freedom can be edited with the pins tool for both ends of each element. HyperWorks offers the review of cross-sectional properties with contour plots. This context allows you to plot area moments of inertia as well as stiffness terms either as a contour or a vector plot.